So we are now off to our third a la carte of this holiday, and it's the Noodle Bar tonight. If it's anything like the sushi last night, we'll be happy. I am absolutely starving as we've been out all day. Ooh, it is a bit cold of a night, guys. Definitely bring a cardigan, something warm for the night. So off we go to Noodle Bar, which is just across the road from Steigenberger Aldau Beach.
Take care.
Okay, madam and sir, how about?
Happy like you should.
And what do you think of the Noodle Bar?
I messed it up for myself because I had a pizza earlier on at an island because I was hungry. So I wasn't that hungry for that, but it was nice.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it, but I will say the sushi bar was just that little bit nicer.
For me, the sushi bar was the best. That was second, and then along theirs is the Lebanese. That's the first
Oh,
rankings.
the Lebanese was not nice.
That Lebanese was like, honestly, it was like eating in...
Let's not go there. But tomorrow we've got the teppanyaki, which is the one I am most looking forward to. So that will be interesting because it does look nice. And yeah, we met a nice lady in there from Leicestershire. We were speaking to her, and we're just back over to our beautiful hotel now because I need to get warm again. It's freezing. But how lovely is this? How lovely. It reminds me of when I was in Florida last year. Celebration. It's like its own little world. That's what it reminds me of. You feel like you're in a gated community, like Celebration in Florida. It's very nice. It's like a little soup station at 10 p.m. So that is the main reception area upstairs. You come down those stairs, you walk right out. Here, the main restaurant is on the right. And this is where it's lit up of a night, all the stars, it's beautiful. I'm just going to walk over to the beach now, get myself some beach towels. And we've got a glass bottom boat booked for today, so I will be doing a full vlog on that, which looks good. And my yesterday's one to Orange Bay and what was it called, Mega Wish Island, and some small bit of snorkeling for sunset is in a previous vlog. A nice 23 the temperature is, and it's only 9:10. So there's more and more I'm finding out about this hotel as sort of each day goes by. I need to do a proper walk around, which I will do tomorrow. Those little beds are nice, aren't they, in the shallow pool? So yeah, it's beautiful here. I can definitely recommend it here. It's very upmarket, not much entertainment of a night going on that's a bit crazy, but if that's what you want and you just like nice gentle piano music, and it says there's a fire show tonight, and last night there was something else going on downstairs, but we haven't been down there. And last night's noodles were lovely, we really enjoyed that. The sushi was nice. We've got the teppanyaki tonight. I'm really looking forward to that one the most. This is the Simba Kids Club. Top tip, the bread and butter pudding for breakfast is unbelievable. How random is that? But that's all I've had today, is a little bit of bread and butter pudding. It's got no currants in, and I had a little banana. It was delicious. The only one negative I can say about it at the moment is the beds. The beds and the pillows are like rock. But that's about the only negative I have, really. Something you can deal with. There's lots of birds everywhere. You can just hear birds. I feel like you're a little bit in Jurassic Park. Drink-wise, let's see, what's my favourite drinks up to now? The strawberry gin and tonic is beautiful. The cucumber one also, very refreshing. Most guests that are here are German and Russian. I'd say more German. But they've all been very nice. This is our favourite little lunchtime spot with different fresh fish every single day from, I think it's about 12 o'clock. The fish is lovely. It's very bony though, because it's fresh out the sea, just the fish. But it's nice, but I want to try somewhere else. There's another one a bit further along, and I think you can order your food there. Where's that? This one's self-service.
Excuse me, 445. After that,
About